Now we're going to make our blackening spice. We're going to use 8 different ingredients in this, one of which is going to be a fresh herb, thyme, and I'm going to use dried oregano, but it's perfectly fine if you want to use regular oregano. We're going to start off with a teaspoon of salt. And we're also going to use a teaspoon of garlic powder. You want to stay away from garlic salt, because if you have salt and garlic salt and our next ingredient, paprika, this will be very, very salty. And because of that, that's why we're only going to use half as much paprika as the other ingredients. However, we're going to double that by using one tablespoon of black pepper.